Hey everyone, today's video about how to make homemade applesauce, and here's some apples that I already started here process. So what you need to do is like wash them really good, and if someone give it to you and they're like has some brown spot on them, all you need to do is just take some part out and clean up a little bit and take a skin off, so that way your applesauce can be nice and smooth. So all you need to do is take a skin, all this yucky stuff out, and seeds, and cut it like a small medium size so it cook evenly and faster. And all you after that, you just need like a cup, 2 cups of water, because I have like a certain 16 of apples, so I'm guessing I will just use couple cups of water and half cup of sugar and some cinnamon and lemon juice. So I'm gonna continue finish this process here and show you when I'm ready to add water and sugar and cinnamon in it. Alright, so I'm all done peeling all those apples, and I chopped it and cleaned it and cut it like a small pieces, and here's what it's look like. And it's almost like not even halfway full of this pot. So you need to turn on the stove for medium heat, and for like about 15 to 20 minutes until like nice and soft. So I add 2 cups of water, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon cinnamon. You can add more, however you like. And I'm gonna add only 1/4 cup of sugar. So I'm gonna mix all these together. Let it cook a little bit, and then I'm gonna mix it up together. So you want to cover this up and cook it for like 15-20 minutes until nice and soft. All right, so it's been 10 minutes now, and so got a little soft now, so it's now easy to mix together. So all those cinnamon and sugar and stuff. So I only put 1/4 cup of sugar, but after it get a little soft, and when you're ready to smash it down or smash it with the like a potato smasher and stuff, before that you can just check see if it needs a little bit more sugar or not. But it's up to you. If you just like little tart or like a little not too sweet, or you can add more, or you can skip that part. All right, so I'm just gonna let it cook this 8 more minutes, and we'll come back. All right, so it's timer is just went off, and it's now nice and soft right now. I tried to use my potato smasher, but it's still, if I'm gonna smash this thing up, still I want like a smooth consistency. So I'm gonna add this in my mixture here, so that way I get it like a nice and smooth applesauce consistency. And I also add like a tablespoon of extra little bit sugar in there. So I tried it and needed tiny bit of sugar. So it's getting all steamed on my camera right now. So I turn off the fan so I can make the video. Anyway, so it's almost done, and I'm gonna wait like 5 to 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to put it in my blender so it'll be nice and soft. All right, so it was pretty super easy to just put in a blender, so you get a perfect consistency how you like it for your applesauce. And this is what it look like, guys. I'm super excited to try this out. I still want to eat it, but it's so hot, so I'm gonna let it cool. I It was in the blender. I was gonna keep it in there, but I put it back in this pot here, so I'm gonna let it cool down for a while, and then I can store it in any glass jar. And this is good for like I would say like 2 to 3 weeks, but I'm pretty sure this is not gonna stay for this long because it's super yummy. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.